St. Thomas High Secondary School, Mairang, celebrated its strong SSLC performance, with students ranking in the top 10 and 14. Principal Father Venki Khars Im Yong highlighted the school's emphasis on building confidence, discipline and self-belief. He credited the dedicated teaching staff and modern teaching methods for the school's success.
The subjects also kibang lakim ilanti sakat kini ki arno enjil beririn kibala wan syakmat kelang keburam kini so kemen kini so tenat pelating baro dan ki kena kibayo 80% ki kembro hakales kibak cross ke 80% ki ada letter marks in many other subjects also kibang lakim ilanti sakat to kaningut jinsya tamba kila ki kemla raban poisa kales ukna jangi badan hangni uladan lupa to jinsu tenat jinsu haladi ke confidence ladon haladi ban ong bangila ban lebha but kinong hikai jungi kelong very consistent.
The central